Menendez in my cool grouping.
Princess Kyla Bolito.
And yan ang Drake Maap.
And we are the Lala Vloggers.
We are here in the Sena City at Perez Park.
What do you think guys are the best thing to do right now?
I think we're going to Incendia today.
That's great idea. Yeah, and the really comes here. For today's vlog, we are going to find a couple and interview them about their relationship. So, what are we waiting for? Let us find a couple and interview them.
OMG guys, wait. I think we already found a couple to interview.
Oh. Nakikita nyo ba yung naka-black at saka naka-pink na t-shirt?
Hello po. Hindi ko kaya kayo busy. Mag-couple po kayong dalawa?
Okay. Pwede po ba namin kayo mag-trending? Pwede naman po. So, when did your relationship started po?
Since
March 18, 2024. Hindi na naman ang boses, girl.
Yes! Yes!
Oh, do you have any sweet or bad memories, guys?
May nag-prom kami.
From? Kailan nyo ganap?
May 5 na ba?
April
Ay, April.
7.
Ang galing. Ganda,
OMG!
Yung memories nila.
So, may nangyari pa nun.
Ay, wala ka!
Wala. Kahit naman kasi.
Another memory? Pwede bang i-share?
Sabi
Pwede
sa
kiss PJ.
Ay! Bad memories.
Ano naman yung bad memory? Ay. Matarin pala itong part ko.
Tampo eh. Sinusuyo mo naman.
Girl, binalgal ka na.
Uy, kasi music pa.
Ayun,
May tanong sila. Ano, tanong mo?
Wala ko na.
Yun lang? Ano naman yung mga gusto niyong gawin? So, yun yung mali.
Kala mo yung may pera. Kala mo yung pera.
Saan yung mali? Wow!
Wow,
You're so great!
sabi niyo nga palagi ay minsan nag-aaway kayo. So, paano mo napitos mo?
Tayo mo ba ng flower? Chocolate?
Cake naman. Pagpasuyo ka naman kasi, girl.
Sorry.
Anyway, what is your name? Old are you? Old are you? 16!
Oh no! Okay.
Ayo, any advice to teenager about her relationship?
Baan niyo lang friends? Yun lang, may ano. Ako sa akin mag-lang. So,
Sweat. May no game po. What is your name?
so thank you.
Thank you po sa interview. Say hi po muna sa vlog namin. Hello again! By the way, this is a continuation for our vlog. Since we forgot to take a short clip for our conclusion, that is why I am here. So our vlog is all about interview. We just walk around the Paris Park and then search for a couple and ask about their relationship. And that's it. We also want to thank to our participant, which is Jamie and Ken. Thank you for their cooperation. Good job, guys. My grades kami dahil sa inyo. And that's all. Bye-bye!